Okay, so here is the second part of the last section of 5.5. And you're going to see a question in your homework, part 4, if you haven't already. You're going to see it says find the percent. And then the question will be something like this one, which I think I took directly from your homework. It says 3 is what percent of 8? Now, you have to kind of think of this as a math problem, similar to when you have a missing, like you have the product, one of the factors, and a missing factor, and you end up dividing in order to find the missing factor. So this one, when you have 3 is what percent of 8, I'd like you to think of this as 3. Okay, there's 3 is the equal sign. What percent? We don't know what it is, so we'll just write percent of. This is similar to when we had fractions. We said, what is 1/3 of 6? Of means multiply. Okay. And then we have 8. 3 is what percent of 8? So we have our product, we have one factor, we're missing one factor. In order to find that, we're going to divide. And it's counterintuitive because usually we would divide the larger number, like 8 divided by 3. But in this case, we have the product, we have one of the factors, we need the missing factor. So it's actually going to be 3 divided by 8 is going to equal our percent. So let's do that over here. 3 divided by 8. I'm going to add 2 zeros because it's a percent, so that would be automatic. And we're going to go, let's see, not into 3, but into 30 3 times. 3 times 8 is 24. Notice that I already brought my decimal up. We're going to subtract, and that'll be 6. Bring down the 0. 8 into 60 is 7. 8 times 7 is 56. And we're going to subtract, and we get 4. Now, I have this remainder here. I'd like to deal with that by continuing with my zeros here. And that gives me 40, and 8 goes into 40 evenly 5 times. Okay, so now I have a decimal which I need to convert to a percent. So I'm going to go over 2 places. You might remember doing that. And I get 37.5%. Another way to deal with that would, if you've got a calculator, you would simply plug in 3 divided by 8 gives you the percent. And then it'll give you, the calculator will give you this number here, and you're just going to still have to move that decimal place over 2. And that's it. Good luck.